Hi friends, welcome to IMO videos, standard 7th, video number 47, properties of triangle, section C, achiever, toughest one. Let's start. State true or false. Sum of lengths of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the third side. Is it true? Yes. This is known as triangle inequality theorem. The sum of lengths of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the third side. It means if this is a triangle, then you add any two sides, it will definitely be greater than the third side. Next, if D is a point on the side of BC of a triangle ABC, see this is a D point and ABC is a triangle, then AB plus BC plus AC is greater than 2AD. Means AB, add this AB, BC, AC. It should be greater than 2AD. Let's prove it. See here, in triangle ABD, see, what is the theorem we just saw? Sum of lengths means A plus B plus B plus D will be greater than AD. Addition of two sides is greater than the third side. Similarly in ADC, AC plus DC is greater than AD, right? Now add all these. So AB plus BD plus CD plus AC, add these two, is greater than AD plus AD, 2AD over here. Now BD and CD, what do they add up to? BD and CD, it's a straight line, so it becomes BC. So AB plus BC plus AC, and this 2AD as it is, greater than 2AD. That's what is required. So true. Fill in the blanks. Next, the line segment joining the vertex and a midpoint of the opposite side in a triangle is called, means one vertex means one point and the side opposite to it, midpoint of that side. See this, vertex to midpoint of the opposite side. So the triangle will have this is called as median. So triangle will have three medians, over here and over here, right? And the point where all the medians meet is known as the centroid. So answer is median. The perpendicular from the vertex of a triangle to the opposite side. To watch the videos further, kindly download Yuvaguru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.